Hey, so is Jungle Scout available in Germany? Can you use Jungle Scout in Amazon Germany? In this video, I'm going to share the answer with you, and I'm going to show you exactly which tools by Jungle Scout work in the Amazon Germany marketplace. And of course, I'm going to share the best discounts for Jungle Scout with you as well, so you can save big. And there's also a playlist of Jungle Scout tutorials in the description, along with the discounts, where there are over 100 tutorials that show you how to use different parts of Jungle Scout. So also this page is there, and we can see the list of supported countries. By the way, my name is Vavaev, and great to meet you, seller on Amazon. So Amazon Germany is actually supported by Jungle Scout. That's pretty awesome. Let's see exactly what tools work in the Germany marketplace. Okay, so let's go. So first one, we have Germany. Let's see. Let's find it here. It's number 6 from the left here, DE. That's the German marketplace. And let's see exactly what's working here and what those tools do. So Home Dashboard is a tool by Jungle Scout that basically just the dashboard of the tools. So it does work. It works for all marketplaces and for Germany as well. And Deutschland, right? Toolbox, Sales Estimator, and Listing Grader work for the Amazon Germany marketplace. So Sales Estimator will help you estimate the amount of sales a product on Amazon Germany marketplace does per month. And Listing Grader will help you understand the quality of a listing. So it's going to help you grade a listing. So if a listing is good, you're going to have like higher score. If not, they're going to have lower score, and you'll see exactly what's not good. You can improve your listings this way, or see what competition is doing well with their listings. So next one is Product Research. Product Tracker, Database, and Opportunity Finder are fully available for German marketplace, so you can do good product research there with those tools. Category Trends is not available. It's only available for the US. It kind of gives you the ability to see the trending products in different categories, but you can just go to bestsellers on Amazon Germany and see the kind of bestsellers yourself. Of course, the tool by Jungle Scout is more in depth and better, but you can still do it manually. Next one is Suppliers. So Supplier Database is not available for Jungle Scout Germany. It's a tool that helps you basically find the suppliers of your competition, or generally find good suppliers for your products. Not available for Germany, but you can use it for the US. And you can use Alibaba as well. I have a full tutorial for Alibaba down in the description for you. It's like a 50-minute A to Z tutorial. Next one is Supplier Tracker. So Tracker for your suppliers. You can organize your suppliers, your purchase invoices with them, so you don't go chaotic. It's a very comfortable tool. It is available for Amazon Germany. Keywords is fully available. So Keyword Scout, Keyword List, Listing Builder, Rank Tracker, fully available. What does it mean? Keyword Scout helps you find the best keywords for your product. Keyword List then helps you organize those keywords into nice lists. So later on, you can use those lists for your listing builder to build a good listing for your Amazon Germany product. And Rank Tracker will help you track the keywords and their positions on Amazon Germany marketplace. So let's say you have a water bottle that you're selling there, and you want to see if you're ranking for water bottle natural, and let's say you're on page 10 and your position is 97. So you're going to see it in the Rank Tracker. If you do some PPC and suddenly you see your positions improve, you can track it in the Rank Tracker. So it's a good tool for tracking your rank. Next one is Marketing Review Automation. It is available for German marketplace, so you can automate the process of getting reviews for your products, and that's a good tool, I think, because you can generally get more reviews this way, and hopefully if you have a good product, then you're going to get 5-star reviews, right? Next one is Keywords, but it's actually not keywords. It's like financial kind of numbers, let's call it, because you have profit overview here, P&L statement, other transactions. Those tools are going to help you with understanding your profits on Amazon Germany. So are you making money or not? Because the one by Amazon is quite limited. This one can help you with actually understanding your profit. You're going to input your numbers there. How much does it take you to produce a product, to ship it? You're going to enter all that inside of it, and you're going to see the actual profits. It's also going to connect to your sales. It's just nice. Advertising is the next part here in Germany. So it's got a tool that's going to help you. Advertising analytics is a tool that's going to help you with your PPC on Amazon, pay-per-click ads. So it's available. And Managed Products is Inventory Manager, and it's fully available for Amazon Germany. Inventory Manager is going to help you not go out of stock and not overstock. It's a very good tool because you'll be able to see how many days you have left in stock, when do you have to order new products. Pretty good. And if we go down, we go to the extension, and we can see that it does work in Amazon Germany. You can download it through the link in the description. There's also a full tutorial of the extension available for you, and of course the discounts for Jungle Scout in the description. Chrome extension for product research, product validation, fully available for Amazon Germany. On the screen here, you're going to find the playlist of all my Jungle Scout tutorials, over 100 for you, and the discounts for Jungle Scout as well. And I'm wishing you a great day. And I think it's wunderbar, right? That's like great. So thank you for watching.